Hello everyone, this is Mike. We're in sunny Florida, in Miami. Damn, it's such a hot day today. But luckily we're going to the beach and get some refreshing swimming. Oh well, and of course the car feels like a steaming room or like a Russian banya. I wish I could leave the windows open so it can get some ventilation and not going to be so hot. But for security reason I cannot do that. And second of all, it rains quite a lot in Miami, so I don't want to get my car flooded inside. But there is a solution. I can get visors and slightly leave the windows open for ventilation, so it's not gonna get hot and take forever to cool it down with my AC on. Alright, so visors could be pretty much installed on any vehicle, make and model. You have to check online if you have the right size. And plus it becomes very handy when you live in your car for quite a while and you can leave your window slightly open so it gets some ventilation, and when you come back to your vehicle it's not so hot and steamy like a sauna or steam room. And plus if it's rainy it's not going to be completely flooded when you come back to your car. I checked at Amazon and eBay for Windows visors for my Ford Escape windows, and they were about $24, and I chose eBay because it was coming with the free FedEx delivery. I will provide the links for both of them for your convenience, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I would highly appreciate it. I will even post this lovely cute kitten as my appreciation. That was pretty quick, by the way. Okay, so these are for the back doors, passenger doors. Cool. Alright, these are the long ones for the driver doors. Excellent. How cool is that? Alright, so it's a nice and sunny weather today, so perfect for installing, and we're going to go ahead and install them right now. Okay, so before we're going to install these visors on our car, we have to make sure that these edges are out of any oily spots and any residue and dirt. So just wipe it with any kind of like a wet cloth, and make sure you're going to do it on a clear sunny day because the rain can ruin all your work today. So this is going to be our front end, which is driver's side. It's going to be the longer one. Okay, so they are on 3M tape, which is quite strong. Okay. So, all right. Just let's follow the line, the edge. Okay. Perfect. Just put it nice and easy. So we've got the front end. Just give it about like 30 minutes to settle. And we're gonna do the passenger side. Yeah, make sure you're being on the safe side. Yeah, we got a little accident.